Hi guys, today we make frame out of paper. So let's get started. Take a 4-paper sheet. Draw 4 lines, each 1 centimeter from the top and bottom, and from the left and right sides. Cut the square edges of the paper. Cut the trapezoid shape vertically on both sides, from top to bottom. Make creases according to the lines drawn. Then fold the paper, and use glue to secure the frame. The paper frame is ready. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.